Welcome back to Feature Car Update, and today we're diving into one of the most iconic off-road machines ever built, the 1997 USA Jeep Wrangler TJ. This SUV didn't just replace the YJ, it brought back the true Jeep feel with modern upgrades that made it smoother, stronger, and far more capable. So let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and the prices you can expect today. The first thing you notice about the 1997 Wrangler TJ is its classic Jeep character. Jeep brought back the round headlights after the rectangular YJ lights, and that alone made enthusiasts fall in love instantly. The front fascia is simple, rugged, and unmistakably Jeep. The narrow grille, exposed fenders, and boxy stance give that raw 4x4 presence that looks ready for the mountains, desert trails, or muddy backroads. The TJ also came with a stronger chassis and a new coil spring suspension instead of the older leaf springs, giving it a smoother ride on and off the road. Whether you see it with its hardtop, soft top, or completely open with no doors, the TJ always gives that wild, adventurous vibe. Move around the side and you see its short wheelbase, which is one of the secrets behind its off-road agility. It's compact, nimble, and can squeeze through tight spaces with ease. The fenders sit high, giving plenty of clearance for bigger tires, which many owners install immediately. At the back, it keeps things simple: a tailgate-mounted spare wheel, square tail lights, and a tough, practical bumper that fits the Jeep's utilitarian nature. The 1997 TJ wasn't trying to look fancy, it was built to explore, and the design reflects that spirit perfectly. Inside the TJ, you'll find a cabin that is simple, functional, and designed to handle dirt, water, and rough use. The dashboard is basic but improved compared to the YJ. The controls are straightforward, the gauges are easy to read, and everything feels rugged. Jeep focused on durability more than comfort here, but the seats are still supportive and surprisingly comfortable for long drives. The cabin is upright and airy, especially with the top off, giving that open-air freedom Jeep owners love. Storage space isn't huge because of the short size, but it's enough for daily use and small road trip essentials. You get manual windows and simple door panels on most trims, which fits the vehicle's character. The rear seats are compact, suitable for kids or short trips, but the real magic of the TJ interior is how customizable it is. People add upgraded seats, better sound systems, waterproof mats, and even digital gauge clusters today. Still, the factory interior gives pure 90s Jeep vibes: practical, honest, and made for adventure. Under the hood, the 1997 Wrangler TJ came with two engine options. The base was a 2.5-liter inline-4, reliable but not very powerful. The real gem is the legendary 4.0-liter inline-6 engine. This motor is famous for its durability, torque, and long life. Off-roaders love it because it has the low-end power needed for crawling rocks, climbing steep trails, and powering through mud. Paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic, the TJ was built for serious off-road fun. On the road, the TJ feels old school. It's not meant to be a luxury highway cruiser, but it's surprisingly comfortable compared to earlier Jeeps. The coil spring suspension makes the ride smoother and more controlled, and the compact size makes it easy to park and maneuver. But when you take it off-road, that's where it truly shines. The short wheelbase, strong axles, solid front and rear